I'm in a real hurry. I gotta go. I'm telling you, you gotta stop stopping me. I'm in a hurry. This isn't good for me. I have things. I can be reached on my pager. Do you want my number? Now it's probably too late. I hope you're satisfied. What am I supposed to do now? There's probably already been three babes there since these babies are blowing up my pager. No, I'm talking about real babies. Like newborns. It's part of my business. I'm not talking about women. What's the matter with you? You should know better. Am I gonna have to talk to you? Like a counselor would talk to a student? I can do that. I've been trained. I took classes. That's something for you to sign up for. I'm here. You already delayed me.